What's going on, traders? Today we're looking at GBPJPY, and in this video I'm going to explain exactly what I'm looking for in order to go long in this market, so stay tuned. Alright, so first we're looking at a daily chart. As you can see, the trend line has been holding up very nice. We are a little overextended right now, and as you can see, we're coming up to this rectangle red box. It's a supply zone from a while back right over here, and as you can see, a lot of supply in this area, so I am expecting a reaction from this area once again. So I'm not super eager to go long. Looking at just the daily time frame, what I'm waiting for to happen is for this to pull back, or for this to make all-time highs, or not all-time highs, sorry, but to make new highs and break this supply zone. And what I'm starting to see now in the smaller time frames, if you look on the 4-hour chart, to me, this 4-hour chart has just turned sideways with the removal of this 4-hour demand. So once this 4-hour demand right here, this green box, gets broken, we will be officially in a 4-hour downtrend, which is giving me a sign that on the daily chart, we will be getting a pullback into this daily demand zone that I have drawn out here. On the 1-hour, you could be shorting. I'm just not going to be shorting based on the daily uptrend. Technically, if 1 hour is your curve, it's okay to be shorting right now, but the 1 hour is also sideways. Still haven't removed this 1 hour demand yet, so we'll have to wait for that pullback. So, basically what I'm waiting for is to see what the 4 hour is going to be doing, and then going to the daily to see exactly what it's doing. So if it does come down to this daily demand, the only thing that I'm not a huge fan of is the fact that this trend line is right here. I don't want to be trading with the retail trend line traders because, things don't really, no offense, but they don't really work out that well for trend line traders. So I'm not super eager to go long in this area if the trend line is there, which is why I will be looking for a 1 hour momentum shift. And basically what I'm looking for is, the trend line to be broken like that and then go to the upside on the 1 hour time frame. So that's how I'll refine my entry. I'm kind of hoping that we pull back nice and sharp into this area and avoid this trend line, because like I said, I'm not super into trading with the trend lines. The 1 hour is looking pretty weak. I don't want to draw my trend line just yet to the downside, but it is looking like we are starting to pull back. The only thing that concerns me about this pullback is that we have not contacted this daily area of supply. So that's the one thing I'm looking for. If the 4 hour and the 1 hour start to trend up again and we start to move up in this market, what the other situation I'm looking for, basically two situations that I'm looking for: price to come back to this daily demand, look for the 1 hour confirmation that I just talked about, or for price to break this up here. So it would break this daily demand, which would have a daily demand or daily supply removed, sorry. And then what that would do it would create a whole new demand zone for us to look at on the daily time frame. And then at that point, our 4 hour time frame, it'll be up here, right? So it'll be like that. We can continue this trend line over here, right? And our 4 hour and our 1 hour will then be on an uptrend. So that's kind of what I'm hoping happens, because like I said, I'm not into that daily demand that much. So if the 4 hour starts to trend up again, the 1 hour will also be trending as well, based on just multiple time frame analysis. So the 1 hour would probably look something like this, and then I would be buying 1 hour pullbacks into 1 hour demand zones based on my higher time frame trends. So those are the two concepts and ideas that I'm waiting for to happen on the pound yen. As of now, I'm not buying anything. I'm not buying the pound yen because I'm waiting to see what happens. And if we can get in long here, our ultimate targets would be up here in this weekly area of supply. As you can see, a lot of supply in this area. Nothing I would short. If you look at the monthly time frame, it's pretty messy as well. But our ultimate targets could be up here, maybe in the 149 or even the 150 area, since this weekly area of supply has been tested so many times. So with that being said, I hope this all made sense. If it made sense, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. I will respond to every single comment. And if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Cheers.